Hi and welcome to another video. This time we're reviewing a new extra large mouse mat. So this one, as I've been watching the series of the Star Wars Mandalorian, I thought I'd get this one. This one looked pretty good. It was currently on Amazon. I think it was on offer for £15, and it actually is quite good. The quality and everything else and the reviews were good, so I just thought I'd buy this and give it a try. So this one is actually it says a professional gaming mat, as you can see from the box and everything else. If we have a look here, we can see the Star Wars, and then the durability, precision, speed, and it's waterproof as well. The size is currently 800 by 350 by 4mm. So it's big enough for your keyboard and your mouse there. So you can see, and you can see again the here the actual, and then you can see the actual design. So if I turn this around, you can actually see the design here of the actual mouse mat, and you can see here. So it does say it's waterproof as well. So if you spill anything, hopefully you should be able to wipe anything down, any drinks or anything like that. Okay, so let's have a quick look. I'll open it up. So it is quite a big mouse mat. As you can see, it comes wrapped as well. Just put that to one side. So you can see here, it's got some wrapping on here. Just take that off. And you can see the quality of it. So as you can see, it's quite large in size. So it'll fit your desk and the keyboard, and you can see the quality underneath of the mat here. So it's got a textured here as well, so it won't slip or anything like that. So it's got a grip. See, the seams seem to be well sewed as well, so you won't start any fraying or it won't start falling apart. So it looks really good. So you can see the material on the top here as well. It's really good quality for the mouse and the texture and everything else. So it'll pick up like if you've got a high DPI mouse as well, and you can see the pattern, and the quality is really good in material. So yeah, so as you can see, it's a large, very large mouse mat, but I want one to cover my whole desk and the keyboard, as you can see here. And yeah, so the material is really good. So overall, for £15, you can't go wrong really. I think the quality is really good. It's quite a good thickness. It's got like a sponge effect to it as well. So it's got some foam in there. So it gives good, if you want a little bit of support when you're putting your wrist down on the mouse and everything else. And the material seems to be very smooth, and the print and everything else, and the quality seems to be good as well. So yeah, so this is just a quick unboxing and review of the mouse mat. There's not too much more really to discuss about it, but yeah, overall, if you're thinking and you want to get a new extra large mouse mat and you like the Mandalorian series like I do, then I'd recommend this one, because this one does seem to be of really good quality and seems to it will last a long time as well. And I'll put the link for it from, I think I got it from Amazon, so I'll put the link in the description, and you can go there, and when Black Friday comes, it might be even cheaper. But yeah, so I think I paid $15.99 for this in Amazon. Okay, so that's been a quick review of the Mandalorian extra large mouse mat. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments and I'll try and answer them.